Back of the closet, cardboard edges worn, dust motes spinning, morning finds me here. One picture edges faded like laughter in spring. Younger faces, me and you just starting out. I can almost feel that porch those summer nights. Laughter echoing, the years just beginning. These boxes hold more than memories. One photo, 1,000 days. These boxes hold more than memories. Just a light tucked away. Little feet on hardwood, mornings full of light. A promise whispered, hands entwined, holding on. Sleepy arms, birthday cake on tiny cheeks. We pressed time between pages, stuck it saved. That morning sun, dancing on the floor. These boxes hold more than memories. Heartbeats folded, old and new. These boxes hold more than memories. Ours to keep, ours to use. Empty chairs now, coffee cooling slow. Names and faces coming, then quietly gone. We gathered close as the world turned again. That first day, long goodbyes under rain. Stubborn roots, we grew through it all. Through broken things.